Chahi amma makhai fazilaklaba Manipur ki irang asiga mari lenana lanjenari basingi relief and rehabilitation ga mari lena basing yengsinaba semkhiba Justice Geeta Mittal Committee ki matam Supreme Court na thatarukamaga sangdo khankhre Supreme Court ki Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud Justice J.B. Pardiwala amadi Justice Manoj Mishra ge bench amana committee asigi matam asi sangdokhibani panba yabadi hairiba committee asigi matam asi mamang thagi tang 15 da loikhibani Jammu and Kashmir High Court ki hanagi Chief Justice Geeta Mittal, Bombay High Court ki hanagi Judge Salini P. Joshi amadi Delhi High Court ki hanagi Judge Assam Menon ahumna Saba Committee asi mamang chahi ke August ki tang tareta Supreme Court ki bench amana order thok tuna semkhibani loinana committee asina irang asiga mari leinaba report sing Supreme Court ta lankhatpa yabagi ayaba pikibani